dhegayso geel.
haye
It's Ramadan now. You should read Quran, pray, and stop all bad things.
I'm still a kid.
Waryaa sheekadaas waxaan ogolaanay maahan.
Ani weli ma qaangaarin.
Don't get me started. I saw what you do in your room. Wasakh yow.
Yeah, baby. Hoa, hawarta ma joogto. I swear, Macalin. It is just a game. I swear. أعوذ بالله رمضان واي.
No. It opened it by itself.
ها
Abayo, wallahi waa ku jeclahay.
aniba waa ku jeclahay.
Gabadhii abtigaan wahay waaye.
haye
Waqtiga Ramadaanka exercise muhiim waaye mogtahay. Wow.
you're looking at those girls again.
Maya. I need the sun for my eyes, you know?
I need to tell you 3 Ramadan rules. Rule number 1, stop watching niggas. Rule number 2, stop looking and talking to girls. Rule number 3, stop fake exercise.
How you know these rules?
Gabada abtiga wahed, she taught me all of this.
You talk to her?
Yes, عود كذا made me relax.
Waryaa!